Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are doing well. A very good day to you all. So I thought of making a video on Figma essentials for the beginners. If you want to start Figma, you can just quickly start by seeing this video. So starting off with googling the Figma. So this is the website of Figma. You can easily access figma.com. That's how the interface looks like. It has a lot of information on the website. You can check on your own. It has the button get started for free. So it is a free software, it is a cloud software. You can just start with signing off. Let's just quickly sign up. Okay, so that's how the interface looks after signing in. As I've already worked on some projects, so it shows the recently viewed, but I wanted to tell you guys too, from the scratch, how you start Figma. It's not difficult, I'm telling you. Okay, now let's move on to design file. That's how the interface looks inside the design file. We have many features here, many buttons like file, edit, view. We can do lots and lots of operations. Like I just turned on the rulers here. Rulers are very important in maintaining the alignment of anything. Okay, so then we have different frames. We have move tool, we have scale tool, we have different shapes, we have an option to place images or videos with pen tool, text, plugins, widgets, etc. etc. We have hand tool, we have comments tool, we can add comments, we have share option, we have dev mode. Just let's quickly turn on it. Like that's how it looks like after turning on the dev mode. It's useful for measurements, right? So we'll take a frame of iPhone 14 Pro. Without frame, I'm telling you how it looks like in the prototype. If we just take a frame, same rectangle size of that frame, I'm just checking what was the frame size. So I'm checking the width and height and giving exactly the same to a rectangle, and then I'm just playing in the prototype, right? I'm giving the color as well, same. So prototype is showing only one by one because it has only one frame, right? If we just delete and then it played, it shows prototype needs to have at least one frame. So that's the difference between a frame and regular shape, right? You have to take a frame in any way. You can draw your own, you can choose from the templates given. So these are the right side options. We'll quickly turn on the columns in the layout grid because columns are very helpful in maintaining the alignment of the shapes, text. It looks exactly in a proper manner, not scattered, right? So I'll show you how it looks like. With drawing the two rectangles, right? They are same. You can check without going outside, maintaining the shape, maintaining the alignment. Outside margin is maintained, right? I'm checking the buttons that are given at the right side. That shows middle one is the mid in the centered align, and then you have vertically centered, like from the upside and down distance is same, right? We can change the color, we can give the stroke can be of any size. We can make it dash line stroke, like it was solid, I made it dash line. We can give effects, we can remove it, we can export it. So lots of things are happening at the same time, right? We have preview option, we can preview it, like where was circle showing on the phone, how it looks like, the color. It shows the preview one. Okay, you can check on your phone by just mirroring. I was doing, I don't know what I was doing. Now I'm seeing the color of the page. You have to click out and then you can change the color of the page, right? We will make it black, static black. Okay, so we will move on to another options that are for the design, related to design file, right? We will check them later. Local variables and local styles, and these are not in use for design or UI. Okay, so I'll, I don't know, this part was cut, but I was going to show you how you can make the alignment. And for the dev mode, we have, you can't make changes onto the design file. You can check the distance between the two rectangles by just turning on the design file, right? Or we can press alt and hover over the shape, it will show the same. So you don't need to turn on the dev mode, you can check with alt as well, right? If you will click with alt, it will give you a copy. If you will just hover your mouse, it will show you the distance. By clicking all the rectangles, I made them tidy up so the distance between them is same. I think these are enough for the beginners to start Figma, and you can easily check on your own. If you find any difficulty, comment down below. I'll catch up in the next video.